Hi, welcome back to Shotoku Tech. Previously, we unboxed the ThinkNode M6 from Elecrow. It's a solar Meshtastic node. We went through all of the details and features in that video, so look for the link down below for that video. Now it's time to hang it on the roof, and I want to check it out for a week, see how well the battery fares. It is Tucson, Arizona. We have sunshine all the time. Yeah, I put it on the bench, charged it up. Out of the box, it was running 2.7.15, which was the latest beta version at the time. So it was up to date. I just need to set basically the channel defaults. It's the LongFast modem preset, and we just need to configure the region and make sure that our frequency slot's correct. So region, United States, LongFast. I'm going to up the let's see, that's the hop count, number of hops. I'm going to up that to 7. Channel utilization is really low here. There's a bunch of nodes, but people aren't like hyperactive on the mesh. There's also a medium fast cabal here as well. So this is day 3 plus, and the battery's at 100%, and this is like pretty early in the morning. Yeah, 3 days and 19 hours. So it's pretty close to 4 days at that point. Yeah, here's day 4 plus, so this is like 5 days out. It's morning again. It's been up 4 days, 14 hours. Let's look at the battery. Yeah, 99%, 4.07, and this is like first thing in the morning. Day 5 plus, so this is like 6 days out. It's Memorial Day, actually. Mountain Mike's Pizza in Tucson. Really nice place. I got my Elecrow ThinkNode M1 with me. Wonderful device. I've got videos on that too. Yeah, I'm about almost 3 miles away, and let's look at the signal. Okay, wow, signal to noise ratio 6 decibels, and then RSS is minus 59 decibels. What do you think? Does that look good for 3 miles away? You can see it's 0 hops, so I'm talking directly to it. I thought that was pretty good. Leave a comment down below. Okay, so here we are. We're essentially at the 7-day mark. It's morning again, just after sunrise. And I want to take a look at the battery. Yeah, it's at 100%. Was that 408? You're getting your money's worth here. That's a 7000 mAh. It's like dual 18650s in the case. So look for the link to the product page down below, the ThinkNode M6 outdoor solar powered mesh node. I got an Elecrow playlist. I've got a Meshtastic playlist. Leave a comment, give this video a like, share the video, subscribe. Thank you very much.